Loving you is like a fairy tale. I just can't pick up the
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
I'm listening behind you. It's racist. First land a random shot.
Oh yeah, suck a dick werewolf. Or suck a dick wolf.
I'm gonna tank the bow shot. Trying to.
Oh yeah.
We get back.
I know. I pretty much had to stay long enough to get a heal.
No one's after us. We're good. My time to shine.
He's an 8.
Oh my god! I realized I just ate my kid's
How
dad.
you just went straight down.
As in previous.
That's the fucker that killed me a minute ago. So please eat his soul.
I'll push him back.
Maybe 10.
Back. I'll push him back. Come on. Yellow, help us kill him.
The golem, he can't run forever. Is he actually trying to scaly style bow spam? He just dies for doing that.
The and spider like bond is so good. Yeah, just can't shoot.
2. 3.
Again, go.
No, he's by the tree. He went past the tree.
Yep, I see him. I'm tracking.
Corner.
Put him back.
I'll keep an eye on him. Visit him again.
9.
Doing speed gen in there. You might want to go in and help him.
Go.
Nice. You won. GG. I'm just gonna eat a gap now. I'm eating gap. I wanna cast this kill. Watch me. I wanna block the time out of this. Yeah, and 11 finals again. That's why you
They only
record.
had